define simple harmonic motion and derive its differential equation. Definition: simple harmonic motion. Definition: a particle is said to be harmonic motion is defined as acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement, oppose the displacement, and towards a fixed point. A particle is said to be simple harmonic motion is defined as the acceleration is directly proportional to displacement, oppose the displacement, and towards the displacement. So the acceleration A is directly proportional to displacement, oppose the displacement, and towards a fixed point is known as simple harmonic motion. So next, derive differential equation of simple harmonic motion. Diagram is a support suspended a spring. The end of the spring is suspended by a mass m. Consider simple harmonic oscillator as shown in the figure. The force acting on the mass m. The force acting on the mass m. The force acting on the mass m at any time during its motion is given by F is proportional to minus x. F equals to minus kx, where k is proportional constant or spring constant. This is equation 1. According to Newton's second law of motion, according to Newton's second law of motion, according to Newton's second law of motion, F equals to ma, where m is mass, a is acceleration of the body. So m into acceleration is d square x by dt square. Since a equals to d square x by dt square. This is equation 2. From 1 and 2, m into d square x by dt square equals to minus kx. 3. d square x by dt square equals to minus k by m into x. d square x by dt square equals to minus omega square x, since where omega equals to square root of k by m, omega square equals to k by m. So therefore d square x by dt square plus omega square x equals to 0. This is second order differential equation of simple harmonic motion.